Did you know you can create beautiful resin blooms with UV resin? Let me show you how to do it. So we're using the original formula from Resin Rockers, and we're gonna mix our colors first. We're using our white pigment. We're just using about 4 or 5 drops of that. We're gonna mix that up. And then we're doing 4 or 5 drops of this pink pigment as well. Fill your card coaster in with the original formula, and then with the color, you're first going to do little dots of the color pigment all the way around in a swirl design. Then with your white pigment, you're going to go in a swirl in one direction as well. Then you're going to pull the resin into the middle, making little petals, and then from the edge of those petals, pull those edge of the petals out to the sides. Swirl in the middle, add a little flame, and then we're curing on both sides at 36 watts for 60 seconds. This is how it turns out. These are so beautiful and they are so easy to make. Now let's slow the process down. Next, we're going to do the teal one. Fill your card coaster with the UV resin, and then with your MicroBrush, you're going to go around in circles until you get dots all the way throughout. Swirl the white resin in a circle, and then we're going from the edges, creating these beautiful petals all the way around. You want to make sure your dotting tool or your silicone brush is touching the bottom of the mold when you do this. Swirl the middle and then go back into the petals and pull them out to the very end of that mold. Then we're going to hit it with a little bit of flame, and then we're going in the magic cure for 60 seconds on each side at that 36 watts. Once you take it out of the mold, you're really going to be able to see that dimension on that forward-facing side. These are so pretty. They're so easy to make. I think you guys are really going to love this. Last but not least, we can't leave out the purple, so let's do it. Fill in the mold with the original formula. Do little dabs with our MicroBrush all the way around in a swirl pattern. Then take the white resin and go all the way in a swirl pattern. And then use your tool. You can use a silicone brush. I'm using a dotting tool, whatever you have on hand. And then you're going to pull in the middle, pull out the petals to the end. Cure for 60 seconds, and this is what you get. And the best part is all the supplies come in a mini kit, so be sure to check that out if you want to make these beautiful blooms.